Hello, I am Dr. J, and in this video we would write part 2 of model letter number 6. As you know, this is the letter writing course, IELTS General Training Task 1. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. I have started from overview of general training task 1, band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, top 10 tips for IELTS writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, how we use it, useful language for each type of letter of complaint, inquiry, request, help, permission, apology, invitation. Then more than 12 model letters in my course. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see this is playlist of my channel. Click the playlist of my channel. You can see there are 54 videos in my essay writing course, 50 videos in advanced grammar course and 73 videos in vocabulary course. This was our letter for letter number 6. You recently moved to a different house. Write a letter to your friend. Explain why you moved. Describe the new house. Invite your friend. Why you moved? The last house was terrible. Bad condition. Tiles were problem with tiles. Walls were not painted. The new one is floor is new. Walls are painted. There is a garden. And invite him. Come around. Have a look. Children would be happy. Let us have a dinner. Something like that. So here is my introduction. Dear John. Then introduction. Chit chat, and then I have stated my purpose. Now we are going to write first body paragraph, that is regarding first bullet point about our condition of last house. As you know, this is I am using informal language. Over last house was in terrible condition. Not only were the tiles on the floor chipped mean cracked, on the floor chipped, but most of the walls were stained. When there is any problem with anything, you can join two problem with to make a complex sentence, but a simple I mean simple in normal language, in easy language, but a complex sentence. Not only we have to use, if we use this thing, we have to use inversion here. Inversion is something like a question. So if you don't know what is inversion, go to playlist of my channel. There is a complete class on inversion. But most of the in grammar course, most of the walls were stained. Then what happened is I am talking about my bad condition of my last home, why I left it. I told my landlord repeatedly, but all in vain. Finally, what I did, I decided to pack up and go. So this is informal language that I am using here. This is very important to use informal language. Finally, I decided to pack up and go. Now let us move to the second body paragraph, that is second bullet point. Let me tell you all about my beautiful new house. My children love it and they can play on the floor as it is new. It's new. It is new. Instead of it is, we are using it's as a contraction. Now about garden, it has, this is it has, this is it is. So the contraction is similar. You have to see the context to decide whether it is present tense or present simple or present perfect. It has also got, so I am using third verb form, so it would be has. Got, also got a lovely garden where we can walk in the morning, where we can walk in the morning. About furniture, all the is new and the walls have been painted recently. Next is I have to invite him to come and see the house. I was wondering, so use informal language as your letter is informal. It is very important. I was wondering if you would like to come around this weekend and check it out. My children would be very pleased to see you. I was wondering if you would like to come round this weekend. Instead of visit, use come round. It is informal expression, this weekend, and check it out. My children would be pleased to see you. Please is fine, you can use in informal. And if you come, what will we do? We will, this is just these are ways to expand. We will cook you a special dinner and go out to have a drink. We will cook you a special dinner and go out to have a drink. Now my letter is end. All of the 3 bullet points are covered. Now I have to give a closing phrase to end my letter. that is, it is informal, so I am not going to use I look forward to. I am going to use an informal way. Get back to me and let me know what you think. Get back to me and let me know what you think. Then I can write take care, lots of love, something like that. Regards, something like that you can use. Lots of love. Remember, love is with small l, of is with small l, l would be capital. Lot of love, lots of love, lots of love. Then your name. So after writing a complete letter, you should have 1 or 2 minutes at the end to proofread your letter. In proofreading, you have to see contraction, whether we have used contraction or not. We use contraction in formal, informal and semi-formal, and we don't use contraction in formal letters. So then you have to look at your tone of your letter is okay, you are using a formal language or informal language throughout. Then look at spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, subject, verb, agreement mistakes, and then subject verb agreement mistakes and salutation and ending of your letter is very important. It should be according to the type of letter, whether it is a formal, informal or semi-formal letter. So after watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters, but always remember that you should take some feedback from any true IELTS expert. I would also start my correction service. In the last 6 months of 2021, I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID, this one. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group. Link is given below in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Press bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.